I done tell you what.
Now I gotta get turned here.
Holy sheep shit. Sheep stuff, I mean.
I was hoping it was gonna just, the front end would just come down. It's so close. Yeah, so far away.
Yeah, back. Let back slide down a little bit. Come on, slide, not fall.
Nice. Yeah. Nice. Yeah.
Wait, your first try down there?
Yeah.
I didn't get that recorded either. Try to get Brady to see if he can get. This is.
Can you go through the tree?
Yeah, it's almost. It's not impossible, but it's hard.
It's impossible.
With your bumper, it'll be impossible.
Yeah. That's what I was just thinking.
Yes.
My bumper won't even fit through that
It
little
won't.
hole.
No. I have a body that can't get through it either. I only have a couple bodies that can. Oh, you had it.
Fucked it all up.
Uh,
I think your axles can get out.
There you go.
Nice.
That's your.
I'm down.
Yeah, that was white. There you go. Just don't fall at the end.
You might as well, yeah.
Hey, you made it.